Hello Mavericks and welcome to today's market roundup. It is November 1st, aka Fed Day. Some lots to unpack. As usual, we'll be doing a review of the trading day. We're going to be doing some technical analysis on the major indices, taking a look at some commodities as well, going over the meaningful news of the day. And then we're going to be wrapping up with some trade setups and opportunities. Let's get right into it.
Disclaimer. This video was created for professional stock and option traders. Maverick Trading is a proprietary trading firm that employs professional traders around the world. Our traders trade firm capital and keep 70 to 80% of profits they generate. All trades and analysis in this video are for professional traders only. If you are interested in becoming a professional trader for Maverick, click the apply button in the video description. Let's break down what happened today.
All right, let's break down what happened today, starting off with some market analysis. Okay, so all the major averages ended up in the green today. Oil and gold slightly down. The major news for today, right, is it was Fed Day, and the Fed has held rates at a 22-year high for the second straight meeting, and the market is feeling good. But as you'll see from this price chart of the S&P 500 index, you'll see that we are still below both moving averages. So even if we reclaim 4,300, we'd still be smack dab in between the 20 and 50 period simple moving averages. And that means that we're in a danger zone. So we still have a lot of work to do before this market is starting to look a lot healthier. And it's a very similar picture in the Qs, although the space between the moving averages is a lot tighter, which is good news, I think, if we're going to try and reclaim those moving averages and stay above them. So the sector heat maps are looking good. Obviously, tech up big, and that is a sector that I'm very bullish on. I'm mixed on energy. I'm getting a lot more bullish on healthcare and on consumer discretionary, right? So those are the sectors I'm paying particular attention to. Although financials have done well today, I'm not bullish on them at all. Definitely not to the same extent as I am tech, for example. Okay, so the weekly outlook is a little bit mixed. The fireworks aren't over, folks. We still have Friday, which is going to see a slew of non-farm employment data, including the non-farm payroll report, come out. So there could be a lot more upside, or potentially giving back all the good work that we've done so far today. I'm going to be a little bit cautiously optimistic here and say I think we are going to continue this rally up into the 4,300s in the S&P. So I'm going to give the monthly outlook a +1 as a result. Okay, so moving on now into some potential trades, and not a lot has changed here since the last couple of weeks that I've done one of these updates. I'm still looking at some familiar names, AMD, NVIDIA. I've added Apple to the mix. Sideways trades, I'm still neutral on PCBX, MRK, and then the potential bearish trades include CSX and JP Morgan. So taking a look at AMD, I mean, we had a huge move today, up close to 10%, I believe. And things are looking good. I'm personally waiting for a breakout above this gray resistance line to the top. We get that. As far as I'm concerned, it's game on. Pretty straightforward trade. And I wouldn't want to see us get below $100. That might be a little bit more than you're willing to risk on a price-based stop. So if you wanted to look, you'd have to go down and drill down to a lower degree time frame and look for a swing point on an intraday time frame for a tighter stop. But that's personally what I'm looking at, roughly about $100 as far as a price-based stop loss goes. As far as Merck goes, I mean, we're still trading sideways. We haven't really gone anywhere since the last time I've given an update on this stock, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. And JP Morgan is broken down nicely from that $140 key level that I pointed out previously. That was a great trade if you captured it. And we're now trading back into that level, hopefully finding it as resistance and then trading back lower again. So I'm still bearish on JPM. Now, as far as tomorrow goes, it looks like the market's switching back to risk on, but we still have a lot of work to do, as I mentioned previously. And then as far as the economic reports go, we have non-farm payrolls on Friday. There's going to be a slew of other employment data. It's going to be a market mover for sure. And then as far as earnings reports go to close out the week, some of the big names include Apple, Eli Lilly, the Baba and ConocoPhillips. All right, traders, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Look forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks. Bye for now.